another song tutorial by the Rawk School of Music. Today we're breaking down the guitar solo of A Crazy Little Thing Called Love by Queen from 1980. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, let's break down the solo to Crazy Little Thing Called Love right here. So it's in the key of D, so he's basically kind of playing around with the root 6 D minor pentatonic scale. Using kind of this rockabilly idea, kind of like imitating guys like Scotty Moore that played with Elvis, kind of using the whole minor to major third thing, which you might have heard me talk about before, this kind of sound. So there's a lot of that going on in this solo. So the solo starts off sliding from the 9th fret to the 10th fret on the first string, and these double stops, these fourths here. So it's a 9 to 10 slide, double stops like I said. And here we're going to be going over the B flat chord, so it's kind of like a B flat major pentatonic here. Bend up twice on the 13th fret on the second string. Release, bend, release, pull off to 11 on the second string. Then 13, 11 on the second string. Bend up on the 13 on the second string. And catch that 13 on the first string with your pinky. So far we have this. We go back to our 9 to 10 slide. So then we're going to hit double stops on the 12th fret on the second and third strings. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. I hear a dead note after this, so it goes like... So that's your minor to major third. You're hammering on from 10 to 11 on the third string. Then another pick on the 10th fret, hammer on to the 11. So that's your minor to major third, outlining that D major chord right there. 10, 12 on the second string. 2 hits on the 10 on the first string. And we're back in this B flat shape over here again. So we're taking the 13th fret and bending up the second string. So bend 13, catch pinky on the 13th fret on the first string, twice. Bend, release, pull off to the 11 again from 13. Then quickly back to your 13, bend on the second string, and catch the pinky on the 13th fret first string again. So. Okay. And this little next part's kind of tricky, so take this next part slow. He slides from 11 to 12. Catch the 15th fret on the second string. Back to 12 on the first string. And here we bend. We do a half step bend on the 13 on the second string. And that's really hard to hear at first, but he is bending the 13th fret in the half step on the second string. 14 on the third string. 11 on the third string. 14 on the fourth string. So that's a nice little riff right there. Then we end up in an A major pentatonic box over here for the last little riff of the solo. So it's 14 twice. Bend up 16. Release, pull off to 14 on the third string. Then 16, 14 on the third string. Alright, so I'm just going to go through and play the whole solo pretty slow. guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you want to see the tabs for this, check our Patreon page. If you like what we're doing here, please subscribe. If you have ideas for future song tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Alright, thank you so much. We'll see you for the next video. Thanks.